Hi everyone, and welcome to the Ace Displays channel. Today's Ace tips are all about ROI, or return on investment. And no, it's not just about spending less. It's about making smarter decisions before, during, and after your event to make sure your investment pays off in a big way. Let's get into it. Tip number 1. Define your goals and set KPIs. Before you pick a display or pack a giveaway, take a step back and ask yourself, what are we trying to accomplish? To get real results from your trade show investment, you need to begin with a clear strategic goal, and those goals should be SMART. Specific. What exactly do you want to accomplish? Measurable. How will you know that you achieved it? Achievable. Is it realistic based on your resources? Relevant. Does it support your broader business objectives? And time-bound. What's your timeline for achieving it? Here are a few common goals to consider that you can adjust to be SMART goals based on your business needs. Generating leads. Capturing new contacts for your sales pipeline. Increasing brand awareness. Boosting your brand's visibility and recognition with your target audience. Launching or showcasing a product. Showcasing a product or feature in an engaging and direct way. Establishing partnerships. Connecting with potential vendors, collaborators, or distribution partners. Once your goals are in place, identify key performance indicators that reflect your success. Here are a few examples. If your goal is lead generation, your KPI might be number of new contacts. If your goal is increasing brand awareness, your KPI might be number of booth visitors. And if your goal is generating revenue, your KPI might be number of orders from event attendees or dollars generated from event attendees. When you go in with clear and measurable outcomes, you'll know exactly what success looks like. Tip number 2. Choose the right booth strategy for your goals. Now that your goals are locked in, let's talk about booth strategy. Your display isn't just decor. It's a tool to help you hit your objectives. It's important to match your display type to your goals. If your focus is brand awareness or lead generation, backlit displays help you stand out and attract attention from across the trade show floor. Kiosks with screens or tablets are great if your goal is to run product demos or highlight product features. Perfect for visibility and engagement. Want to showcase physical products and hand out branded swag? Counters and shelving make product access really easy and help your booth feel open and approachable. No matter what your setup looks like, always make sure your graphics are high quality and your messaging is clear and focused. A display that's cluttered or vague can dilute your impact. Tip number 3. Train your team to engage, not just attend. Even the best looking booth won't deliver ROI if your team isn't ready to connect. Before the event, make sure your staff understands your goals and knows the key talking points. Everyone should be aligned on how to greet attendees, how to qualify leads, and how to talk about your products or service. Encourage your team to actively engage with visitors, not just stand by. And if it makes sense for your business, consider incentivizing strong engagement with bonuses, internal contests tied to lead capture, or demos scheduled. Tip number 4. Use giveaways and promotions with purpose. Yes, giveaways can drive traffic, but to impact ROI, they need to be strategic. For brand awareness goals, choose branded items that tie back to your product or service, something your audience will actually use and remember. Want to collect leads? Use QR codes or run a contest or giveaway that encourages attendees to scan and share their info. If you're looking to drive revenue or sales, consider offering a limited time promotion or event-only deal that encourages visitors to act quickly and stay engaged after the show. Tip number 5. Maximize your post-show follow-up. Your ROI doesn't end when your event does. In fact, the post-show follow-up might be the most important part. Start by segmenting your leads into 3 groups. Hot leads, ready to buy or schedule a meeting. Warm leads, interested but not quite ready to buy yet. And cold leads. Minimal engagement at the event, but still worth nurturing. Follow up within 48 to 72 hours of the event while your brand is still fresh in their minds. Make sure to create different follow-up content for each group so that you're meeting your audience at their stage in the buyer journey. And lastly, make the most of your booth materials and content. Reuse those photos, videos, and testimonials in your social posts. emails, and newsletters to build long-term brand recall. So let's recap. Here are the top 5 tips to maximize your ROI at trade shows and events. 1. Set clear, smart goals. 2. Build a booth that supports those goals. 3. Train your team to connect with purpose. 4. Use giveaways and promos strategically. And 5, most importantly, don't skip the follow-up. If you need help choosing the right booth setup to match your goals, that's where we come in. Reach out to Ace Displays and our team will help you find the perfect displays for your next event. Thanks for watching Ace Tips. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop a comment below if you have any tips of your own for maximizing ROI. Until next time, happy exhibiting.